Now we are on chapter number 9, private public functions. In Solidity, functions are public by default. This means anyone or any other contract can call your contract function and execute its code. Obviously, this isn't always desirable and can make your contract vulnerable to attack. Thus, it's good practice to mark your function as private by default and then only make public the functions you want to expose to the world. Let's look at how to declare a private function. So here it is. We can add a private keyword to make this function private. This means only other functions within our contract will be able to call these functions and add to the numbers array. As you can see, we use the keyword private after the function name, and as with function parameters, it's convention to start a private function names with an underscore. Okay. So let's put it to the test. Our contracts create zombie function is currently public by default. This means anyone could call it and create a new zombie in our contract. Let's make it private. Modify the create zombie as private function. Don't forget to naming the convention. Okay. Let's make it private and also use this naming convention underscore. So that's how we can define a private function. Underscore is not necessary, but as a naming convention we can add underscore in it, so we know that function with underscore will have a private scope, uh, so it will be easily readable for us. So let's check the answer. There it is. It's correct. So we have completed chapter number 9 also. Let's move on to the chapter number 10.